From Divine Sis Star of the Light, Prairie, Crystal and Indigo Guide to the Galaxy. Athens, July 1st, 2023, Energy Update. Twin Flames Restoration via Matter and Antimatter Creation. The Return to Innocence. Message by the Dragons of Matea. The program is one thing, organic creation is another. What needs to take place will take place naturally. All 3 points of central connection of the two opposites are being restored on both opposite rotations. Planet Matea is innocence. There is no blame. We came here for its restoration. Matter and antimatter worlds will be revealed to all. Forgetfulness will cease to exist. There is a massive correction taking place. The energies of turmoil return to where they belong to, and to those that created them. This is taking place after the pollination of the flower by the sword, which caused the swirling of the natural recalibration. The washing machine is in the draining mode. There is no need to interfere to fix or correct anything. Just command and allow this natural recalibration via the natural law. Matter, antimatter world, and the flows of organic life, and stay in your own field and inner presence. Let go, allow. Everything that you have been carrying that was not yours is being lifted away from you, and you are meant to feel much lighter soon, just by accepting this. This correction and recalibration will clear your minds and hearts, and you will see and feel things much differently than usual. This swirling is causing another lifting of a very heavy veil that was closely connected to the material reality. A strong change of the mental body and clearing of the 5 senses is taking place. Narcissists of all kinds will be receiving back their own creations via this swirling. They are called to repent, to admit the pain coming from their mental and emotional trauma, and surrender their fears and sense of inner weakness, guilt and self-rage, and come to be innocent once again. This is open and possible now. This is natural correction. This is pure love. This new phase has just started, and it won't stop until there is a complete correction back to innocence. Get your dragon wings back. The sword of light, he is just, accurate, very precise. 144 coming in, and the flower with her 12 waves, petals. She knows exactly what she is doing. Such a soul rejoicing. She can now be safe and carefree once again. He can finally have his honor restored and be in his presence again. Erini, Hunama Anatta Kumara.